Hey, this is Dr. Andrew Hagan with Hagan Dentistry, and I'm here with one of my absolute favorite patients. This is actually my son, Anson Hagan. And Anson had an exciting morning this morning when he was brushing his teeth. You want to tell everyone what happened?
So I was brushing my teeth and I had a loose tooth. It was a really loose one. And I got the toothbrush in that spot and it popped right out.
Yep, you want to show them your smile and your tooth there? Awesome, very cool. So Anson's very excited. What do you think is going to happen tonight?
And tonight the tooth fairy is going to bring me $1 for this tooth.
Hopefully,
I think
yeah.
it's $1.
We'll see. Yeah, awesome. Very cool. So Anson is actually 7 years old, and that's very normal for him to lose. That's his right upper front tooth there. Most kids start losing teeth when they're about 6 years old, and but there's a wide range of what's considered normal. Some kids are earlier, of course, and some kids are older than that. And it sometimes the permanent tooth comes in behind the baby tooth and it kind of gets strapped there. So sometimes they need a little help to come out. So certainly if you have any questions about your child's teeth, we love to see kids, and let us know. Give us a call, 423-239-8021. Bye-bye.